Are you a victim of hair loss, losing hair strands while combing your hair? Has hair loss taken away your confidence? If yes, then we are here to help you. For people suffering from hair fall, there's only one solution: Q-Sera Hair Serum. Q-Sera Hair Serum, the quickest anti-hair loss therapy, offers an excellent safety profile. Q-Sera ensures quickest hair fall control. Using this hair serum is simple, and it must be applied using the spray pump that comes with the pack itself while the hair and scalp are completely dry. Take the bottle out of the pack and open the cap. Aim the pump towards the affected area and press the pump for spraying directly. You need to pump 10 times to get the best results. Then gently massage your scalp with your fingertips. One spray releases around 0.2 ml of serum. Repeat 10 times to get 2 ml serum. Use it daily at night time, ideally 1 hour before going to bed, and allow it to dry completely for the most effective result. Repeat every day for best results. Q-Sera Hair Serum offers quickest action to treat hair loss, thereby helping strengthen your confidence. Brought to you by Palson's Derma.